roller axis test with offset weight. A 33 kilo weight is attached 125 millimeters outside of the center axis of the axis. The weight is carried by roller bearings on top and on the sides. Teeth size is 6 teeth, effective diameter 60 millimeter. This clock measures hundreds of a millimeter. I will move the axis 1 millimeter at a time and you will see it react. Reversing 1 millimeter now, another millimeter, and another millimeter. Now I will reverse direction. Again, again. So lost motion is below 600ths of a millimeter. Reversing direction again. And again.